Hey drone fans, if you're looking for a high-performance drone that delivers stunning 4K or even 6K footage, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best drones on Amazon in 2025, featuring gimbal stabilization, long flight times, AI tracking, and lightweight designs under 250G. Let's fly through the specs, real-world performance, pros, cons, and who each drone is best for. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in. Number 1. Potensic Atom, lightweight drone with 3-axis gimbal plus 4K. The Potensic Atom is a dream come true for content creators and beginners. It weighs under 249G, meaning you can skip registration in many regions. With a 3-axis gimbal, footage stays stable even in windy conditions. Its visual tracking locks onto subjects and follows them smoothly, ideal for solo adventurers or action shots. Combine that with 4K video, intelligent flight modes, and 6 kilometers range, this is a strong contender under $400. 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K/30 FPS camera, under 249G, no FAA registration needed. 96-minute flight time with 3 batteries. Max 6 kilometers transmission. Visual tracking, quick shots. Pros: lightweight yet feature-packed. 3-axis gimbal equals buttery smooth video. Long total flight time. Reliable GPS plus return to home. Visual tracking and cinematic modes. Travel vloggers, beginners, and solo creators looking for cinematic footage without a heavy setup. Number 2. Ruko F11 Pro 2, Pro-Level 6K Drone for Adults. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 is built for semi-professional drone pilots. Its 6K camera on a 3-axis gimbal gives you cinematic-grade footage, while the 10,000-foot range lets you cover vast areas, perfect for mapping, photography, or landscape videos. The 70-minute battery life with 2 batteries is excellent for longer sessions. And even though it's pro-level, it still includes beginner mode for easy onboarding. 6K camera plus 3-axis gimbal. 70-minute total flight time, 2 batteries. 10,000 feet FPV transmission. GPS plus return home plus follow me. Brushless motors. Beginner mode included. Pros: high-res 6K footage. Strong brushless motors. 10K FT range is impressive. Beginner-friendly controls. Smart GPS return and follow me. Serious hobbyists or small business creators who want professional footage without DJI prices. Number 3. Holystone HS360S, best for beginners with 4K plus GPS. The Holystone HS360S is one of the best starter drones with powerful features at a low price point. Despite being lightweight and portable, it gives you GPS precision, 4K video capture, and long-range FPV. Foldable, sleek, and app-controlled. It also includes intelligent flight modes, smart return to home, and brushless motors for smooth flying. 4K UHD camera, weighs 249G, GPS plus follow me, 10,000-foot control range, brushless motors, foldable and 5G FPV. Pros: great 4K video on a budget, lightweight equals no FAA registration, GPS return and stable hovering, beginner-friendly features, excellent customer support, new drone users or gift buyers looking for value-packed drones under 250G. Number 4. Potensic Atom 2, flagship features in mini-form. The Potensic Atom 2 is a step up from the original with new flagship features. You now get 8K photos, AI night mode, and 10 kilometers transmission for elite content creation. The AI-powered tracking is incredibly accurate, and vertical shooting is optimized for TikTok and Instagram Reels. It's light, powerful, and cinematic, a creator's dream drone. 4K video plus 8K photo, under 249G, 3-axis gimbal, 10 kilometers video transmission, AI tracking plus vertical shooting, AI night shot plus quick shots, 96-minute total flight time. Pros: high-quality video plus 8K photos, longest range on this list. AI flight modes for creators, ultralight for travel. Gimbal ensures stable shots. Content creators and travelers who want premium features in a sub-250G drone. Number 5. Budget 4K mini drone, foldable, kid-friendly, voice-controlled. This budget drone is great for families and kids who want a safe and easy way to get into flying. It offers voice and gravity-based control, making it super fun and interactive. Though the 4K is digitally enhanced, the video is decent for social media clips. The build includes brushless motors and prop guards for extra safety. 4K camera, software enhanced. Foldable, compact, brushless motor, one key takeoff/landing. Voice plus gravity control, anti-lost alarm. Pros, budget friendly, kid safe controls. Foldable and lightweight, brushless motors equals less noise. Anti-lost and return features. Kids, teens, or casual users looking for a fun, safe, and affordable drone. Let's recap the top 5 drones on Amazon in 2025. Potensic Atom, best overall for beginners and travel vloggers. Ruko F11 Pro 2, pro-level drone with stunning 6K footage. Holy Stone HS360S, great beginner drone with GPS and 4K. Potensic Atom 2, best for creators needing vertical and AI shots. Mini 4K RC drone, budget-friendly and safe for kids. All Amazon links are in the description below. Comment below which drone fits your flying style best. Like this video if it helped you out. Subscribe for more drone and tech reviews every week.